Alright, you guys, I'm sorry, I forgot to start this recording, but welcome. We started with $1 million and this truck. I bought everything on that trailer, and I bought that stuff right there. So, I don't know what we're going to be doing today. If there's any wood contracts, we will be doing that to make a little bit more money. Wood transport, there to there. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be doing that, but I'm not sure if I'll do it right now, but I will get that started. Is there any other thing that has to do with, like, rock removal? Okay, I also going to be accepting that one because I have stuff for this rock removal. I'm going to be doing those too. Let me go, oh crap. I'm going to need to do that too. You know, I got a skid steer for that one loaded up. So, well, I have the skid steer. I'm not sure if this one will work or not. But, yeah. We will get those done today. So, yeah. Yeah. I think I actually just backed that in the first try from up here. Like, you can see the ruts. First try. I do want to upgrade this house. I want to get rid of these fences. Am I able to do that right now? I get rid of the fence. You are not able to get rid of the fence. Oh, that works. That works, I guess. Okay. I just sold that and everything disappeared. I guess that works. So let's build my house. Let's do this small house to start off with. 30 bucks, not too bad. Place that there. Small sheds, anything nice. Just go all the way down. That's 30,000. That's huge. That's even too big for this property. I think I like the cheap side. That works. Just for my truck. Place that. We'll have to fix the path. I will also put down this. Actually, hang on, let me turn that around. There we go. Pressure washer right there. And I don't know what that is. And then get a nice little fence going up about there to about about there, and then we'll get another one going from there up to the house, just like that. So that's just where I'll park the semi, or if I can get the semi in right there, I can park the trailer right there. Semi trailer can go there. Let's do this. Oh, that was a little too big. Okay. Okay, now that that is done, that should be good. Have everything we need. So, but that's the problem right there. Let's see if we can get the semi-trailer in right there. Semi plus the trailer, so this can get off the road. And first try. I want to park the semi. I go for about right here, so it's out of the way. I'm not parking this next to him, so I'm gonna gas, filling the tank in the back with gas. Yeah, it's not the best landscaping, but I didn't do it. This is how it was. Our silos, so the electric silo is empty. Oh, I gotta get a fuel truck in. Oh crap, that's gonna be annoying. Okay, then hang on, let me just come over here. Our 41,000 bucks. I have to though. I have to. But there's a ton of gas into it. Start. Last 24. Oh god. I don't know why I was rolling there. We got the 2 trailers there. Wood. Ooh, wood is really high right now. Wood is really high right now. It's nice. And where is the sawmill on this map? Crop tops, grills, hotspots. Unowned is black. Currently selected. My farm is yellow. Alright. Contracts. So if I turn everything off but contracts. Yeah, I got 2 contracts I need to get going. Okay, sawmill. Sawmill. That is the carpentry. Farmer's market. Grain silo. Warehouse. Warehouse. Then tailor shop, bakery, dairy, sawmill. Oh my god. I actually just thought that. Anyways, what? What? I'm sorry, that was a waste of money. Okay. That's done. Wrong vehicle. Wrong vehicle. Oh, it's okay, it's fine. I'm gonna move this into the shelter in case it starts to rain. Okay, that's good. Okay, I just want to look. So I am currently right here in field 41. If I want to sell it, I can't. But all I'm using is that. What if I could make a purpose of that, right? You know what I mean? And that's a lot of money, which I'm not moving. I actually like this property I have right now. But there has been this property I have been eyeing. Hang on, guys. Let me get out here. This property right here. I have been liking this property. It's easy for me to back in the trailer. There's a lot of other nice properties. That one I wouldn't want. I wouldn't want that one. I want like this one. Just nice, you know? What the heck? Shift tab. Okay, that was odd. Because I hit that. But this property is very nice. Not sure if you're able to go. Wait. Take lands. Bar. What? You know, I honestly don't know what that meant. So there's a door here. It's a nice house, not gonna lie. Or, oh, that's a lance. Gotcha. Then over here is the bedroom. It's like, yeah, it's fun. Then here's bathroom. Here, another bedroom. Nice. And I might pull the truck into here, see if the semi fits in there, which I don't think it will. If I get another car, it's gonna go in there. And then for my girlfriend, I was thinking about buying her like this. You know what I mean? Or this one. Or the Durango. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But that's gonna wrap up the first video making my property, my first property, and I will